這國家的法律是我設的，所以這ló對我無用。這國家的ló是我設的，所以這ló對我無用。這國家的法律是我設的，所以這ló對我無用。因為 or 因為 means because. 因為 I think I forgot to add this word into the sentence within the picture, but it's not a big deal, so we will just continue to learn the new words. 這國家的法律 or you can also say 這國家的ló. 這國家的法律 means the law of this country. 這 means this, ini. 國家 means country, kok-ka. And a means something. It indicates something belongs to someone. For example, if I want to say this is my shoe, this shoe belongs to me. I want to say this is my shoe, I will say 這是我的，這是我的。It is like the of in English or de in Spanish. Finally, hoat-lu means law, or you can also say law. You can also use the English loan words law to describe the same concept, because I think the vast majority of the youngster in my hometown, they rarely use the term hoat-lu. Most of us will just use the English loan words law. So, 這國家的法律 means the law of this country. And of course, you can also say 這國家的ló, 這國家的ló, 這國家的法律, 這國家的ló. 是我設的, 是我設的 means is written by me. 是 means something like is in English or yalah in Bahasa Melayu. Set in this context means written by me. 是我設的. And if I'm not mistaken, the word set was derived from the English word setting, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not an expert. And the a at the final of the sentence indicates the speaker was certain about what he is saying. By certain, it means that the speaker was firmly believed that his statement is true. Okay, and finally, we are reading our last sentence. 所以這ló, 這法律對我無用。所以這ló對我無用。所以 means so. 這 the meaning of 這 is this. Law or hoat-lu means law, and 對我無用 it means it is useless to me. It doesn't apply to me. 對我 means to me. 無用 means useless. So 對我無用 it is useless to me. It doesn't apply to me. 講我人的民族語言，橋倒端我人的民族認同。因為昨天是這個國慶日的事嘛，是馬來西亞這個國慶日，所以我是拍算昨天做這個影片做了過後下去 YouTube 的，但是因為我無點啥的事，所以我搞到今仔日才來做。So what I said just now is I plan to make this video and upload it to YouTube at the Independence Day of Malaysia, which is yesterday. But unfortunately, I don't have time, and that's why I'm recording this video today. Not today, tonight. Okay, tonight. Anyway, Hari Merdeka to my beloved country, and I will see you next time.